Hey everyone, so we're working on webbing today for the article we read this week. It says choose a picture word card to fill in each part of the web. So these are word cards at the bottom, and these are the questions for our web. So we're going to answer what, who, where, why, and when. And so if you can please first cut out your word cards so that we can glue or tape them to the correct spot. Excuse me. So we have 2020, celebrate seniors, schools, and 2020 graduation ceremony. And excuse me if you keep hearing the banging sound, that's from downstairs. So first let's do our what. And our what is, what did we read about this week? What was the title of our article? And so you can take out your article to help you with this. And look, what was our title? Was it 2020, celebrate seniors, schools, or 2020 graduation ceremonies? So the title of our article was 2020 graduation ceremonies. All right, so let's do our who. Who did we read about? Who were the people in our article? Was it 2020, celebrate seniors, or schools? So our who is seniors. We read about seniors. Remember, seniors is one of our vocabulary words. It is people who are on their last year of high school or college. Where was the locations that we read about? Was it 2020, celebrate seniors, or schools? So we're looking at where. So our 2020 graduation ceremonies, we talked about schools. That is our where. Schools is where we go to, even though schools are closed right now. One day we will return back to school. You might be in a different grade. You might be in a different school than you were, especially if you graduated 8th grade, but you'll still be in school. Next is, we'll do why. Why are we celebrating? Why do we have graduation ceremonies? Why do we have graduation ceremonies? 2020 or celebrate seniors? Which one is our answer for that one? So why? We are celebrating seniors. And our last one is when. When are these graduation ceremonies happening? The ones that we're reading about right now. They are going to happen in 2020. All right, so we read about 2020 graduation ceremonies. We read about seniors who will graduate. See, the graduation ceremonies will be at schools. We are celebrating graduation ceremonies because we want to celebrate seniors. And we are celebrating them in the year 2020.